Hey guys, this is Riley here again, and I'm just here with a quick video just to show you about one of the things I just discovered at Dollar Tree. Well, Dollar General. Stay tuned. Okay, so at Dollar General, I don't really go there that often. I mean, I'm more of a fan of Dollar Tree because, you know, it's more true to the name. Dollar General, they just have like dollar stuff or stuff around a dollar. But one thing about Dollar General that I've liked lately, that I noticed last year, but I didn't realize until my coworker brought it up to me, is that they will like heavily discount their gardening equipment this time of year. But yeah, sorry, yeah, I'm in the car just doing this on my way home. I just left Dollar General, so I'm good. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna post some of the stuff that I got. But yeah, sorry to rush a video like this. I just kind of realized this as I was leaving, that this is like a great thing that I should tell you, like, everybody about. But like I was saying, they discount their gardening equipment, and when they get to this part of the season, like, it doesn't make sense, since they sell so many different things, for them to keep this stuff in stock or to send it back to the warehouse or anything. So they discount it crazy amounts. So like, I know I got some things that were that I think I spent in total, in the 2 to 3 times that I've been now, probably like about $30–40 for about $90 to $100 worth of stuff. And you might be able to debate me on that or whatever, but I think it's at least $60 to $70 worth of stuff. And like, got a rake, I got a shovel, each for $2. Like, and I know what you're gonna think, like, oh man, that's a crappy shovel, it's probably gonna break tomorrow. And I was like, I mean, if it lasts past tomorrow, then a $2 shovel, that was a great investment in a shovel. I bought a shovel, and it's a good shovel. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I bought a shovel for like 30 bucks a couple months ago. I mean, just iron all the way through. But like, this is just like a small shovel, like metal, like a metal, like bottom point or scoop part, and like regular like wooden the handle. It's just a bit like skinnier at the bottom and skinnier at the top, like as far as like the pole goes. But like, I'm about to show you like just some of the stuff that I got, and just like name some price that I got paid for it. Wait till you get a hold of this stuff. This is some pretty crazy stuff that I was able to get, but like, stay tuned. Okay, pardon my messy truck bed. Like I said, that's a shovel, and then I think this is like a rake or something. Oops, sorry for this motion. Like, that's like $4 right there. These are citronella sticks that you kind of use to, in case you're having people over. I think this is like 25 to 50 cents, like each. I can't remember how much exactly, but like for this price, it was great. As you can see, these seed starter trays, like, this is like a huge tray. Instead of it being $6, it was like $1. Then you got some stuff right here. These were like $1, maybe even less. Like, this wasn't $10. This is probably like a couple dollars. Let me see. I'm sure I got a couple. Let's see here with it. Yeah, I think the most expensive thing was like a forged pruner. And that's this nice thing right here. Look at that. I've actually been using scissors, but now I can actually use something like actual gardening equipment. I also got a couple of these too, because I've been wanting to experiment with watering these type of things. Apparently you fill them up, turn them upside down, and then just kind of stick them through. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for right now. Just wanted to kind of post that video, just kind of give you an update. But like, these sales that they're doing are just limited time only for right now. So I've gone to other Dollar Generals, and they were already onto Christmas and like Halloween stuff. So they're really trying to get rid of this stuff. So I highly recommend that you check out like all the Dollar Generals in your area. I told a lot of my friends, and they're all just jumping into them. So yeah, Thanks again for all the views. Thanks again for the subscribes. Thanks again for the likes and the comments. Just let me know if there's anything that you have any questions on or anything, and I'll try to keep you guys updated. And you guys stay safe, stay breezy, and I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, if you wanted to say hi, you can just leave a comment, or if you want, you can just say hey. But yeah, I'm going to try to post videos. If there are any days in particular, like Thursdays are going to be mandatory, but I'm going to try to post videos on Sundays and also Tuesdays. Sundays will probably be like the next step, but like Tuesdays will be the third one. So you guys stay awesome. Here's a quick shot of the garden. Down this way. Hey you guys, this is Riley here again, and I'm back here with another video. That's this nice thing right here.